So excited today. You know what? Welcome to Afrosam-Tv. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for keeping within the channel. I appreciate you guys since day one up to now. You have been there with me. And finally, our visitor has arrived. Man, I appreciate you guys. You give me courage by watching my videos, sharing my videos, commenting. It engages me with you guys. Soon we'll be having live streams because our star has arrived. So let me take you through this video. And today we are launching the GoPro. We are unboxing the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So guys, I am so excited to open it, and thanks. Peace. One love. Today we are launching the GoPro Hero 9 Black. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching this channel with all these videos. From day one up to now, I'm growing bigger every day. So beside me is my big friend who sold to me the camera. So he's going to tell you where you'll get him, and his links to the website will be in the description of this video. So you can click there, and he is reliable. I met him online, but now we're physically. So thanks. You can tell you more.
Hi guys, my name is Jeremy from Price Point Electronics. www.pricepoint.co.ke. Links in the description. Thank you so much.
Peace. It's a very special tool for us YouTubers. Wow, man, unbelievable. Okay, this cable is a battery. Yes, hope you're enjoying the video of the review. And after checking up, we are at a stage of whereby you have to insert the memory card, you have to insert the battery, and then after that you have to check all the cables whether they're there. You need to use an external charge adapter. So boom, you're good to go. Then you need to plug the GoPro Hero 9 Black on power for about a reasonable moment, like a period of time, roughly 2 hours, because it has to first be full before you power it on for the first time. So I hope you're enjoying the video. If you like it, give a thumbs up, share to your loved ones. We're doing a gadget review for the first time, but this is the only gadget Afrosam has purchased this year, but we're moving on. Thanks for your support. We're rocking and bringing you the best. After this, we're gonna do a short video test with the GoPro Hero 9. Stay up to the end of this video, and other amazing features of the GoPro are internal. You can check in the description of this video that takes you to more reviews. One of it is that it has a lot of resolutions. One is 1080p, 720, 4K, 5K, 30 frames per second, up to 60 frames per second. Boom! Let's go, rock it. Afrosam Africa to the world. Love it, share to your loved ones.